Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick video on Canva's brand new Dreamlab AI Image Generator. It's a brand new tool that they just launched that can help you make AI images for your Canva projects. So to access this, you're going to need to go to canva.com/dream-lab. I'll have a link in the description. You're also going to need a Canva account as well. But this is going to bring you to this page that says Dreamlab. What image would you like to create today? So let's say we want a beautiful sunset over a mountain filled with cherry blossom and trees. Let's go ahead and click on where it says generate. And now you can see it's generating us images right here. And as you can see, it gave us 4 different images that we can choose from. All of these have a sunset over a mountain with the cherry blossom trees in it. Now what's cool is we can actually choose some different options here. So by default, it's set to smart, but we can actually choose like different styles of images that we want. So let's say we want a pop art version. If we go ahead and click on create, now you can see we have pop art versions of what I asked for. We can also choose, let's say we want to do a minimalist version. Go ahead and create. And now we have minimalist versions of what we asked for. And we just have a bunch of different styles that we can choose from. We also have different aspect ratios. So we can say if we want it to be maybe a 16:9, we can go ahead and create that. And now all the images are 16:9. And we can just straight up either download these images if we want to by clicking on the download button, or we can actually edit them in a Canva project by clicking on edit. And this is just going to bring it straight to the default Canva editor. And now we can actually just add whatever we want, like a normal Canva project, and adjust everything as we see fit. But that's how you can use Canva's brand new AI image generator. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.